Alright, hello everyone. This is the last problem we missed on Wednesday, August 28th, and I just wanted to make sure I went through it with you guys. What we'll first do is read the question. It says the average cost in dollars for tuition and fees for in-state students at a four-year public colleges over a period of 2000 to 2010 can be modeled by this equation, where x equals 0 corresponds to 2000, x equals 1 corresponds to 2001, and so on. Based on this model, for what year after 2000 was the average cost 7,605? So they're pretty much telling us the cost is 7,605. What is x? Now we'll go ahead and we'll take this equation and plug in the information they told us. So we have 7,605 equals 3 and 26 10,000ths x squared plus 337 and 7/10ths x. And last but not least, I'm going to squeeze it in there, that plus 3,449. Now, because this is a quadratic equation, we want it to look like it's in standard form. So we have to get it equal to 0. In order to get to equal to 0, we'll subtract the 7,605 to the other side. So we'll have 0 equals, and let's see if I can fit it all this time. Pretty much everything stays the same except the last term, which was a constant. And since we're subtracting 7,605, we should end up with a negative 4,516. So there's our equation. Now with this, we're going to take it and plug it into the quadratic formula because we want to solve for x. So pull out your calculator, type in the opposite of the b term, which is 377.7 plus or minus the square root, and you might want to plug this all in one go. The b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Once you've typed this into your calculator, you should end up with two answers because one will be the plus sign one and the other one will be the minus sign guy. For the first one, I usually do plus first. I get 10.9890 something rather. It keeps on going on and on, which for us, for our case, is about 11. We'll round up to the nearest year. And then the other answer you should get is a negative one, where you get negative 135.807 and some other crazy stuff going on, which is about we don't care because of that negative. Be very careful. Yes, we could technically say, oh, this worked in a certain year, but they said what year after 2000. So negatives are not ideal to us because that would put us back before 2000. We want only positives. So this answer we're going to disregard purely because of his negativity. So now x equals 11 is not our answer. We're saying what year, and x equals 0 is 2000, so we'll take 2000, add to it the 11 years that we just discovered for solving for x, and our answer is 2011. And that's all.